Mom, you will see some words on the screen and you need to pronounce these words correctly.
Chicken, chimpanzee, chef, machineries.
Now look at the pictures and tell us what are these pictures about.
Chicken, chimpanzee, chef, machineries.
Bravo! Good job, Mom. In the word chicken, CH sounds like cha. In chimpanzee, CH is pronounced as sha, as well as in chef and machineries. Mom, you know CH also sounds like ka. Can you name some words?
Character, chaos, stomach, monarch.
Well done. The country has descended into economic chaos.
Thanks for watching.